Hi everyone, my name is Keith, a machine expert with USA Clean for 12 years, and this is the Bulldog WD20 Auto Scrubber. In this video series, I'm going to show you some general maintenance that you can do yourself to keep your machine running at peak performance, and it'll help minimize the cost and need of sending a service tech. So you need to replace your circuit breakers. There's 4 of them. You got a 4 amp, a 30 amp, and 220 amp. Very simple, very easy to do, and they're exactly the same way on all 4. The first step is we're going to have to remove this back panel. Now, in order to remove the back panel, we have to remove the knob from the squeegee lowering handle. Just like that. Next step, we're going to remove the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 screws holding the back panel to the machine. Next is the tricky step. What you want to do is take the handle, push it down slightly, and pull the back panel off. Remove the back butt connectors. Now, if you need to, you can either do it by hand or go ahead and get yourself a needle nose pliers. Just like that. Now we're going to take the plastic cap off. Now what we want to do, hold the back of the circuit breaker and spin the front nut off of it. Just like that, and now we can remove the circuit breaker. Now, take your new circuit breaker, and to replace it, all you got to do is reverse the steps. Go ahead and slide that back in its hole. Put that nut back on there and tighten it down. Just like that. Now we'll take your cap, tighten that back down. Now just reconnect your wires. Just like that. We need to reattach the back panel to the machine. Now what you want to do is make sure that all your wires are not in the way of where your screw holes are going to go. Line up the handle, push it down a little bit. There we go. And now you can free float it just like that. Get the top 2 screws started. This way you're not fighting it to line it up at the bottom if need be. Now take a larger Phillips, and we're going to tighten all these screws back down. Just like that. Last but not least, go ahead and take your squeegee knob and tighten it back down onto the lever. Just like that, and you're done. Once again, my name is Keith. For all the parts listed in today's video, plus thousands of diagrams and how-to repair guides, be sure to click the link in the description below or visit us on the web at USACLEAN.com. Now, if you like what you watch, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for future videos. Stay safe, and thanks for watching.